how to open YouTube on Chrome. So if you want to open YouTube on your Chrome, then what you need to do is first you just need to simply open up your Chrome browser. After opening, now if you search for youtube.com, it may take you to the application, right? Or if you try to open any link on your YouTube on your browser, then it may take you to the application itself and it won't open on your browser. So in that case, what you need to do is you just need to simply tap and hold on to that link, and it will have an option of open in new tab. So once you tap on open in new tab, then it will open that link in a new tab and it won't take you to the application. Or if you're still facing this problem, then you just need to simply tap and hold on to your YouTube for a few seconds, and from here you can go with the app info, and from the app info you can go with the advanced settings. Under that you may have an option of open supported links or open by default. So if you have that option on your Android, you just need to simply go and turn that off. Once you turn that off, your problem will be fixed. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.